She reached a point where she started telling me that I am having thoughts and sometimes I wish my baby did not exist.
So this sounds like postpartum depression, even postpartum psychosis. When someone who's been very easy to get scared, you have to have a very good hearing ability over here. Not only the doctor, even the patient's husband, the family,
Right.
because this postpartum phase is tough.
Right.
The patient's husband has to be very, very patient over here. He has to have a very good hearing ability.
Have you seen husbands actually going through that counseling and supporting their wives?
The husband comes and tells me, she's crying continuously, पता नहीं सब कुछ तो है, इतनी अच्छी सर्वेंट लाके दिया है, इतना अच्छा घर है, मनी इशू नहीं है, गुड कंफर्टेबल हाउस है, खुशी नहीं है, खुशी नहीं है.
How women actually make a lot of life decisions around their reproductive health. उसकी वजह से शादी का भी प्रेशर बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. So even if you're not happy with your partner,
Sounds quite sad and painful. Yeah, so the fertility levels after the age of 30 drop percent every year. See, you have to get married, get along, be compatible, be romantic, be sexually active, have a child. सबका easily नहीं होता है ऐसा.
Correct.
This is a good option. You can freeze your egg, you can freeze your sperms, and you can become pregnant even later on, because the time you freeze your eggs remain as young as you were at that time.
I think many people don't know about this. Or the ones who know, if they talk about this to others, there's a
Yeah.
lot of judgment.
People aren't happy in India with anything. Even if you have one child, they want to win a second child.
So, doctor, what are the 2 or 3 things that a woman can do when there is a premenstrual or the luteal stage, when she's feeling irritable, bloated?
There are supplements called a few therapies like for the excessive breast pain.
It is normal or natural to have pain during intercourse.
Vaginismus is the absolute fear of sex.
So, is stress and fertility really related?
Now it's not like a project. You're not planning to study for an exam.
So, what would you say to people? Any 3 things that they need to do if they are dealing with fertility issues to stay stress free?
Dr. Ankesh Sahitya is a highly esteemed practitioner with an impressive array of qualifications and over 15 years of invaluable experience in the field. Dr. Sahitya stands as a beacon of excellence, renowned for his unwavering dedication to providing the best possible care to women at every stage of life. He holds special interests in infertility and polycystic ovarian disease, PCOD, and has been honored with the PCOS Champion Award by the PCOS Society of India, reflecting his commitment and contribution to women's reproductive health.